Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to gain advanced control over your Mac desktop. While jailbreaking isn't a standard term for Mac OS, users often refer to bypassing certain security features or gaining deeper system access. It's crucial to understand that such modifications can introduce significant security vulnerabilities and system instability. We'll explore what these actions entail and their implications. One common action sometimes associated with jailbreaking is disabling System Integrity Protection, or SIP. SIP protects critical system files and processes from unauthorized modifications. To disable it, you must boot into Mac OS recovery mode and use a specific command in Terminal. Remember, disabling SIP significantly reduces your Mac's security, making it vulnerable to malware and system corruption. Another aspect of gaining more control involves Gatekeeper, which ensures only trusted software runs on your Mac. By default, it allows apps from the App Store and identified developers. You can adjust settings to allow apps from anywhere, though this option is hidden in newer Mac OS versions. Bypassing Gatekeeper for unsigned applications can expose your system to malicious software, so proceed with extreme caution. Modifying your Mac's core security features, often mislabeled as jailbreaking, carries substantial risks. These include voiding your warranty, increasing vulnerability to malware, and potentially causing system instability or data loss. Always ensure you have a complete and current backup of your Mac before attempting any advanced system modifications. Prioritize security and stability for your desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.